Hey crafty friends, I'm really excited to be here today, sharing my first layout as part of the Hip Kit Club design team. Today I will be working with the beautiful soft August main kit, the embellishment kit, and a stamp pad from the ink pad from the color kit. I start this layout by taking this 4-part triangle pattern paper and cutting out one of the triangles. I want to put that triangle at the top of my page. But what I'm going to do before I do that is take the apricot ink pad that comes in the color kit. I'm going to smudge it on the stamping block, add a little water, and just use that to splatter my page. I want a lot of splatters to come from under the triangle before I adhere it. So I am doing a grid layout today, and the goal of my layout is I want a lot of dimension, a lot of interest, a lot of layers. And first, I added the splatters, and now the triangle. This is going to start the base of my grid. So in this layout, I have some fun pictures of my daughter and I going on a walk around our neighborhood. This picture was a couple of years ago when we would hold hands and just explore and just enjoy the beautiful weather. As she gets older, we have less and less days like those. So I try to remember and scrap the memories while I can. So I'm going to have 4 clusters or a 4-part grid. And yes, you can say that there are going to be clusters. I love layers. To make those layers, I'm just taking the time to audition pieces from the journaling ephemera and the regular ephemera. And once I decide what I want, I take my stapler and I go ahead and staple my 2 photo clusters. Just a quick way to get everything to adhere together quickly without having to grab my tape runner and put it together. I really love that little bear. I hate that I totally forgot to use it. And now I'm just going to take a moment to let you watch and I'll check back in. So I had to stop what I was doing because I said, oh yeah, I wanted to add the fabric scallops. So I just took a moment to take everything off my page and add in the scallops. So I love that it gives a little more finished look to the triangle at the top. And I go back and add my clusters with the foam tape. So the foam tape is just another trick to add dimension to your paper. If you don't have foam tape, you can use several pieces of paper under there. You can use just regular craft foam. You could even use cardboard. If you have old cardboard, just cut off small pieces and put glue on each side and prop up each of your clusters. So there's no wrong way or one way to do this. Just do whatever is easy and convenient for you to have fun with your projects. So one thing that when you add that dimension, you can go in later and stick whatever you need to stick in between the layers. So what I'm going to do later is, or what I'm going to do now is go in and add those florals. Since my clusters are not adhered directly to the paper, it's going to allow me to go in and add the florals as I like. I can pull them in and out or anything else. If I want to go add another piece of journaling ephemera, I have enough space to do that. So I'm just taking time to finish up each cluster, make sure they're nice and full or just to my liking. And then I'm just going to continue to see what other bits and pieces I can add to have fun with this. Now I'm just looking for the right place to put my title, getting ready to finish up this layout. And I'm also going to go in and add some of the pretty glitter enamel dots and some of the puffy stickers that you're looking at now. It's just a fun way to continue to add layers and dimension to your layout. I know you keep on hearing me say that, but there is no wrong way to do it. Add what you want as long as you're enjoying it and having fun. And as you build and build, you'll notice that your project comes together. So I am seeing what pieces I need to go in and finish each cluster with, and I'm going to pick the Good Life puffy title. I love the color of the blue, and it's another great color to pull the whole project together. So I'm so happy that you're following along today. Be sure to like and subscribe if you enjoy our process videos. Click the notification bell to be notified every time we add a new video. Leave a comment below if you have any questions about your projects or the HKC. All hip kits include only HKC exclusive products that can't be found anywhere but in our kits. So some of the benefits of becoming a HKC subscriber are that you save $5 on your main kit each month. You receive a 15% discount on all add-on kit purchases, and add-on kit orders shipped for free when they're shipped along with the main kit. You get free access to HKC exclusive cut files every month. And if you aren't a member, you can purchase our monthly cut files as a bundle or individually. We also offer one freebie cut file each month that is available to everyone. You just need to register on our website to access them. Thank you so much for stopping by to play and create with me today. I had so much fun using our August kits with the beautiful soft fall colors. I am so excited about this new season coming up. Be sure to like and subscribe so you can be included in all our upcoming projects. Have a wonderful day.